Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl Ashika Lee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, this is a highly requested video. You guys wanted to see an in-depth how to put on your eyelash, you know, fake eyelashes, falsies, for my beginners out there who have trouble with putting fake eyelashes on. So I'm gonna be 100% completely honest with you guys. When I first started doing makeup, was I a pro at putting on eyelashes? No, I was not. Okay, when I first started doing makeup and putting on eyelashes, I did not get it right away. This was a process for me, and I can imagine it's a process for my beginners out there who have absolutely no idea on how to do it. It will literally take me like 15 minutes on each eye, and even then my eyelashes weren't even on properly. So I get it. I know it's a process. I know it's hard. It's a process, and it's a learning process at that, and it's very tedious. But you know, that's why I'm here today, to help you guys out, because I know you guys have a lot of questions about what products to use, what tools to use, what is the proper way of holding the lash, all that type of stuff. And we're gonna get into that in this video. I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, straight up that it's not easy, and if you get discouraged, then it's okay. Just keep on trying and keep on practicing, because the more you practice is the more you'll get the hang of it, and the more it'll look effortless, and the easier it gets for you to put them on in like 2 seconds. So let's just get into this tutorial. I'm not gonna lie, it is a hassle to put on lashes when you have extremely curly eyelashes, but it's not impossible, and it can be done. So my first tool, my first step to, you know, this eyelash tutorial is what you will need. So what you will need, obviously, are some tweezers. I got these tweezers from the hair store. I've had this one for years. It's bomb, and it's still with me. I usually go back and forth between. I don't really prefer one over the other. They work the same for me, and yeah, so you'll need 2 tweezers. You can get them at your hair store, the drugstore. I feel like every girl should have tweezers anyway. So yeah, and you will also need mascara. So the mascara I use is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. You guys know that this is one of my favorite mascaras ever, and I feel like this does a pretty good job at just, you know, giving my eyelashes an even coat of mascara on them. The mascara that you use doesn't really matter. Just use any mascara. Any mascara that works for you is good. The next thing you will need is another type of tweezer. This tweezer right here saved my life when I started wearing false eyelashes. As you guys can see, the top of the tweezer is curved, and it pretty much is in the shape of your natural eye shape. And once again, this tool right here is not necessary. I feel like if you have a tweezer, then you don't need this, but if you are a beginner, then I would recommend getting this. It's easier, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to use this later on in the tutorial. Next, you will need your lashes, and I love to use the Ardell Demi Wispies. I feel like if you are a beginner, then, you know, always start off with buying affordable lashes. These typically go for $4 or $5. I like to use these because the band around the eyelashes are very thin, so I feel like it gives you more of a natural look. I used to use hair glue before I even started using lash glue, but the only thing with that I have to say is, when you are doing your eyeshadow, or if you have eyeshadow on and you have your wing liner on, and then you try and attempt to put on the lashes, if you mess up, that black hair glue is gonna get on your eyeshadow. So it just like ruins everything, even though you can easily peel it off, but who wants to do all of that? So I like to use my Duo lash glue. I got the one that comes in a bottle. I know that they have like a squeezy tube one. I used that one before, and I like to use the black one in that product instead of the white one. And then I started using the Duo Lash Glue in the bottle, and I absolutely love this one the most out of every single one of them. Yeah, so there you guys have it. That is the rundown of all the tools, where you can get them from, and I will have them listed in the description box below for you guys. So now, without further ado, we're just gonna jump into this. Oh, and guys, you will also need like a compact mirror. You can either use one that's in, you know, a product that you have, or you can just use like a handheld mirror, which is what I like to use. Or, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's your preference. So, all right, we're just gonna get started. So first things first, what you wanna do, you wanna take your mascara and give your eyelashes an even coat with this. You don't need to drown your eyelashes in this. This step simply just gives your eyelashes an easier and better blend so that it can blend better with your falsies. So we're just gonna put like a small coat. You want to take your lashes. Typically, if you buy drugstore lashes, then you don't need to trim any excess off. But if you do have like a smaller eye, then it'd be best to plop the lashes on. It doesn't have to be like all the way on. You can just plop them on, and then just see if you need to cut any excess off. And these are fine for me. So now that we have that out of the way, what you want to do, you want to take your Duo Lash Glue. You just want to give your lashes an even coat of the glue. You want to allow your lashes to sit and dry for about 30 seconds or even a minute until you find that, you know, the lash glue is dried clear. So once that is done, next, here is the step that everyone anticipates. So what you will need is your mirror, guys. It is best to hold the mirror like right here, like below your chin, so that you guys can see what you're doing. You have a clearer visual, and it makes it so much easier to pop these lashes on. I like to go on top of my eye like this, and I hold it right there, super close to the top. And now we are ready to pop these lashes on. So you literally want to hold the mirror like right here, and you want to hold the lashes right in the middle. Literally just place it right there. You guys see that? So I'm gonna take it off and then do it again. So you have your mirror down here, and you want to just hold it just like this, and then plop it on right in the middle, just like that. So now once that is on, you want to secure your outer part of the lashes and then work your way in the inner part. So what I like to do, I'm still holding my mirror down, and I like to take the lash and literally just place it at the outer corner right there, and then work on the inner corner now and stretch and pull. So after, when you have your eyelashes on, you want to take your tweezers and you want to squeeze your false lashes together in your real lashes, just so that it can look like one and have a seamless blend. And if you have this tool right here, then this is easier. You can just literally put it on and squeeze your lashes together. So if you guys did not get the hang of that one, it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and put on our other one right now, and we're just gonna do the same thing. So you want to hold the lash right in the middle. Take your mirror, look down, go upways like this, and plop them right in the middle. Just like that. Work your way from the outer corner, and then secure the inner corner. And then go in with this or your actual tweezers and squeeze your lashes together. Alright, love, so that completes this how to put on false lashes for my beginners out there. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys were able to take a few tips. And I hope you enjoyed the video overall, and I really hope it was helpful. Once again, if you guys ever feel discouraged when you are putting on lashes and you can't get the hang of it, hang in there. It is okay. You will get there. Just keep practicing and just keep trying, and I promise you, you are going to be like a pro, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I will definitely see you loves in my next video. Bye.